In this video, I'll show you how you can fix the ISDone.dll error that says error code -1. Now the first thing I suggest you do is come here and search for CMD, run as an administrator. In here type sfc /scan now, and then just let it scan, and then you can minimize it. Then what you should do is you should search for View, Advanced System Settings. Now before we do anything here, in the installer, if you have the option to check something called limit RAM usage up to 2 GB, usually it's unchecked, but you want to check this one in the launcher and see if that works. Now if that doesn't work, we want to go in here and go to Advanced, click Settings and go to Advanced again. Now in here what you want to do is you want to press Change. Uncheck this box right here, do custom size, and in here you want to type in 100 and type in 35,000. Now once you've done this, press OK, and then you want to check if it works. Now if it works, and once you're done downloading, you should come back in here and take this back. So just check this one and remove these, so it's the normal one again after downloading. Now, I really hope this video helped you. If it did, please leave a like and subscribe, as it helps me out a ton. Thank you so much for watching.